In primetime news this evening, telephone conversation evidence shows alleged one-don gangsters tried to plan around anti-gang legislation. Farm animals being impounded, owners complain they are being scammed. And illegal sand mining stopped in St. Elizabeth.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening we have the financial week. There's Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before all that, here is our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what's your reaction to the Reggae Girls' 4-0 victory against Bermuda in the CONCACAF Women's Championship game Thursday night? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.